So while I'm in the middle of this dip project, I wanted to share my progress on my dip tank. This is a 150 gallon Rubbermaid tank that was picked up from Tractor Supply. It's perfect for dipping the 5.7 covers, and that's really what I needed it for, was to dip something. I needed capacity to dip something that big. Down here, went to Lowe's and picked up all this PVC tubing to make a drain port, one for a drain hose, and then second for an outlet for the actual pump. This is like a $50 pump off Amazon for like a kiddie pool, and so far it works really good at picking up all the debris. And what debris doesn't get pulled through the actual filter, I use basically a aquarium net to scoop off the top skim surface where some of the residue gets left. So right now I've got the pump going. It's circulating the water. To heat the pool, I needed to use, at first I used two 300 watt aquarium heaters. Those barely got the temperature in the tank to keep around 60 degrees. Over the Christmas break, we looked on Amazon and I picked up an 800 watt 800 watt aquarium heater that's built for a 150 gallon tank. Now that I have that alone in the tank, my water temps are setting right at 90 degrees. I'm told that optimal dipping temperature is anywhere between 80 and 90, and right now we're definitely holding 90 degrees. So I'm very happy with the progress on how the tank has turned out, and I'm looking forward to a lot more dip projects. I have two more on the way. I have two more that's actually in progress, but this one was kind of a over the weekend opportunity deal, so I'm trying to make this happen for a good friend. Thanks.